Striplox 180 joining solution. Very simple to install. All we're using is a centre line. Using the Striplox mark out template, we mark out where the screws are to go. We simply then apply the first product nice and flush onto the edge of the substrate, into this position, and screw it off. I've already done the other process, put it onto the other part. Then we're just going to join them together like so, to that position there. Our lock and key over the top, and to that position there, and then turn and lock it together. Now we have our 180 table installed.